Grilling season is here and ShopRite has me covered because I am going to be making one of my favorite taco night recipe, which is this grilled chipotle chicken. And oh my goodness, it comes together in no time. Now you guys already know I personally love to clean my chicken. It also acts as a brine. All you want to do is combine a little bit of water and some vinegar. Let it do its thing while we prepare the marinade to the chicken, which by the way is absolutely the star of the show. So we want to prepare some fresh onions, and then we're actually going to blend together some chipotles in adobo sauce, and then to that we're also going to add some fresh onions along with some fresh garlic. We're going to add some agave nectar. We're also going to add a nice pinch of salt and pepper, and to that we're also going to add the fresh lime, a little bit of cumin, and of course this whole entire sauce actually comes together with a little bit of olive oil. Now for the complete recipe, be sure and see the description box down below. And once we've added everything to the blender, we're gonna go ahead and mix it all together until it is nice and smooth. The great thing about ShopRite's Bowl and Basket and Wholesome Pantry line is that they offer a variety of different ingredients, both fresh and ready-made, that can seriously help you bring to life some of your favorite dishes. Now you know your sauce is ready when it is nice and thick. Now we're actually going to marinate and season our chicken. So we're going to add the sauce and then we're going to mix everything until it's well combined. Now for best results, you actually want to let the chicken marinate for about 24 hours, but at the very least, you definitely want to let it do its thing for at least an hour. We're now going to set our grill to roughly 375 degrees and we're going to grill the chicken until it is perfectly cooked. Now after about 7 minutes, I do like to go in and I do like to flip the chicken. Now, because we added some agave nectar to the marinade, it is going to caramelize so beautifully. And while this chicken is cooking, oh my God, it smells amazing. Now, whenever we're making the tacos, I actually do like to make a pineapple salsa, and this comes together so nicely. We want to mix together some pineapples, some jalapeno or serrano peppers, some fresh cilantro. Of course, I'm going to add some fresh lime, along with a little bit of salt, a little bit of agave nectar for added sweetness, and we're going to mix everything until it's well combined. And now my favorite time, we're actually going to mix everything together and we're going to prepare our tacos. So now that the chicken has been resting, we're actually going to cut it up into small pieces. Now feel free to take a little bit of a taste test. I guarantee you're going to love this chicken because it is the perfect blend of smoky and that little subtle sweetness from the agave. We're now going to build our tacos. We're going to add some chicken. Of course, we're going to add that pineapple salsa, some fresh lime at the end for added freshness, and we're now going to enjoy the best taco night. Comment down below and let me know how much you love this recipe, and thank you to ShopRite for sponsoring today's video. I'm Chef Zee y buen provecho, guys.